The DPI610E offers a quick and easy to use leak test feature. Before starting any test, ensure all your pressure connections are secure. Ensure you have the correct pressure function selected on channel 1. Launch the leak test from the task menu. The DPI610E allows the user to select suitable wait and test times from the main reading screen by tapping here or by accessing the leak test setup menu here. The wait time allows the pressure to settle before the actual test is started. This could be any value between 0 and 60 minutes. The default wait time is 1 minute. The test time is the period over which the actual leak testing is carried out. This can be set to between 1 second and 480 minutes. The default test time is 1 minute. Once you're happy with your setup, press the play button to start the test. The wait time will count down to 0 and the test will begin. The pressure at the start of the test is displayed and the timer for the test counts down to 0. Once completed, the end pressure is displayed and the leak rate is calculated and displayed as a rate per minute value. To repeat the test, simply press the play button again or exit. The leak test result can be saved as a CSV file by selecting the Save icon. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.